Hello student, how are you? Today our topic is major parts of brain. Yes, today our topic is major parts of brain. We study in this lecture. I am telling about you the major parts of brain. The biggest and the first part of brain is cerebral cortex. Yes, cortex is the first major part of the brain. What is this? In this video we study together. Yes, in this video I am telling you that what is cerebral cortex, the major part of the brain. Basically the cerebral cortex is the largest, yes, is the largest part of the human brain percent, making up more than 75% of this organ. The cerebral cortex is also the most highly developed part of the brain. This is the most highly developed part of the brain. It's control thinking, preparation, and understanding language. That's why this is called the major parts of the brain. The cerebral cortex is divided into two hemispheres, मतलब two parts, divided into two parts, the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. Basically brain, the most important and major part of brain is cerebral cortex, and cerebral cortex also divided into two phases. The first one is hemisphere and the second one is first one is right hemisphere and the second one is left hemisphere. So now we studying right hemisphere. So first of all, you know that what is right hemisphere. The right hemisphere controls the left side of the body. Simply that the right hemisphere control our left side of body, and it's largely responsible of altitude expansion and for understanding relationships in space, tasks such as reading a map. Simply that this is a part of our brain, the right hemisphere. And now we studying the left hemisphere. What is left hemisphere? The left hemisphere controls the right side of the body. Basically you at this point, our the right hemisphere control the left side of body. At opposite, the left hemisphere control the right side of body. It is largely responsible for mathematically ability. It means that it is largely responsible for mathematical ability, problem solving, and comparing information needed to make decision. It is also the brain language center. The two hemispheres communicate with one another and through a bundle of fibers called the corpus. In this line we have find a new definition. What is corpus? Basically corpus means the two hemispheres communicate with one another through a bundle of fibers called corpus. This is our another definition, very important definition. Corpus callosum. The corpus callosum is the bridge between the two hemispheres. Corpus callosum is the bridge between two hemispheres. So students, in this video I have studying that what major part of brain. Our main topics is major part of brain. First major part of brain is cerebral cortex. And now you can imagine that cerebral cortex have also two main parts. First one is right hemisphere, second one is left hemisphere. In left hemisphere, we find a new definition of corporate calamus. At last, our point is what is corporate calamus, and I can tell you what is corporate calamus in detail. So I hope this video is very benefit for you. So we will make other videos in future. At the end in this video, Allah Hafiz.